Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Mascara Monday. First off, yes, I did color my hair again. I really like it. I think it's gonna be great for fall. But yeah, I like how it goes from, I don't know, I don't know what the true color is up here actually because I haven't seen it in the sun yet, but I don't know, it's like a brownish purplish up here and then it fades obviously to purple. Let's get into this Mascara Monday episode because I'm so excited for this. So I was at Sally's randomly and I noticed that ARDELL has makeup now. I did not know. I love ARDELL lashes. I'm actually wearing ARDELL Wispies right now. They're my favorite lashes to wear. I had no idea they had makeup. I was asking the cashier at Sally's like how long they had had makeup and she's like, well, as long as I've been here. Okay, so apparently they've had makeup for a while. So I was looking at their makeup and it is kind of pricey. The only thing that I am trying so far is their mascara. This is the Wispie's Fiber Building Mascara. First of all, how cute is this packaging? If my camera will focus. Super cute. This was $14.50 I think. And if you're not like a Sally's Beauty Club member, I don't know how much it is. So yeah, it's a little bit pricier, but I really wanted to try it out. It is a fiber building mascara. It has an hourglass shaped brush that allows fibers to attach to lashes for a faux lash look. So let's get into the video. My thoughts on this mascara, I actually really like it. The one thing that I don't like about it is the price point. I don't know, I feel like it should be like $8, $9, maybe $10. I don't think 15 or almost 15 is a good price for this mascara. It's kind of hard to work with because it does have a really messy formula, like really messy formula. Like look, I just took the brush out and look how messy that is. Can we focus? Of course not. Of course we can't, but it's super messy. I do like the shape of the brush. It is like an hourglass shape and you can see the fibers on it. It is a wet, messy formula, but I feel like it dries quickly. But again, I'm just kind of stuck on the price because I feel like that's kind of a lot. I feel like if it was $10 max, then yes, but like 15, I don't know. I don't really think it's worth 15. But I am glad that I picked this up and I will be using it definitely. And I'm anxious to try out their other makeup. Let me know if any of you guys have tried this or if you tried any other makeup. Because like I said, I had no idea that ARDELL made makeup. I just thought they made lashes and lash glue. That's in tools. Do they make like lash tools too? Maybe? Yeah. Okay, so that is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. As always, if there's a mascara you want to see featured on Mascara Monday, just comment down below and let me know. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will talk to you guys in my next video.